If I want to edit my associations for a particular record within HubSpot, I can do it from the right-hand side of the main record page. You'll see I'm on a contact record here, and I already actually have an association with a company for this particular contact. If I need to remove this, I can actually go ahead and as I hover over that company, move my mouse over to this X and select Remove Association. A little pop-up will confirm, and I can go ahead and select Remove. You'll see I've removed that association there. So now I have actually no associations for this contact. Let's go ahead and re-add that. Pretty simple. I can just go ahead and select the Add button here, and I can either select an existing company or I can create a new company to associate it with. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select an existing company that I already have within HubSpot here. I'm going to go ahead and save this, and you'll see the company has now been associated. I can do the same thing for deals, tickets, attachments, etc. Let's go ahead and do one for a deal. You can see I can create a new deal from here, or I can associate an existing deal. I can come in, search for a particular deal that I'm looking for, select that checkbox, and you'll see that it pops up. And then I can go ahead and save this as well. And now I've associated both a deal and a company to my contact here. Again, if I want to remove those, I can just select the X here to remove the association for those.